Meet Bob.
Hello, my name is Bob.
Bob is a nice guy and a good citizen. But check out this recent email that showed up in Bob's inbox. Dear Bob, it says, greetings for you. Please notice that we have made billing changes to your upstanding wireless account. You may view these changes in the attached document. Sincerely, the upstanding wireless team. Well, what do you think? Should Bob open the attached file? While you think about your answer, let's talk about malware. Malware is any software program that has harmful effects on your computer system. It is possible for email attachments to contain malware. Now, not every email attachment is laden with malware, but you should be suspicious of unexpected or unusual attachments because, yeah, they could contain malware. So, no, Bob should not open this attachment. If he does, he could contract a nasty malware infection. What should Bob do with such an email? Well, there's at least 3 good options. Bob could type the company's URL into the search bar on his browser to see if they actually sent out this notice. He could delete the email, or he could call the company to see if they actually sent him the message and the attachment. In this case, regardless of what Bob does, it would be a good idea to eventually delete the email so that he doesn't accidentally open the attachment sometime later. So that's what he did. Bob deleted this email and his computer remained malware-free for another day.